Right now here at 6, court has wrapped up for the day in the trial against CMS and the city of Charlotte. With that, we thank you for joining us here at 6 o'clock. I'm Fred Shropshire.
And I'm Vanessa Rufus. A former student claims the district did nothing after she reported being sexually assaulted on campus. And so the victim is now accusing both CMS and the city of negligence.
And today in the courtroom, we heard from a few people close to the victim, including her mother. WCNC Charlotte's Shamaria Morrison has been following this case for us. Shay, what did her mom say about how the district responded to the claims?
Well, today in court, Jane Doe's mom, that's what the victim is being referred to in federal court this week, said that she virtually had no contact with any CMS officials when the reported assault happened and even after. So she said things like the school didn't check up on her daughter's well-being or really tried in earnest to get an actual formal statement. But obviously CMS lawyers refuting those claims, giving one example, saying that when the mom took the victim Jane Doe to the hospital to get examined for a sexual assault kit, that the actual student resource officer at the school, Myers Park High School, tried to call and go to the hospital and presumably try to get a statement then, but the mom refused at the moment. The mom then saying in court the reason why she refused at the moment was because she was just focused on making sure that her daughter got the medical attention that she needed at the moment. And so basically what you have are two opposing sides of what really happened and what was happening in Harness. And you know, Jane Doe's mom says that she no longer wanted to speak to CMS officials because actually the first time that she testified she heard from them was actually after a voicemail was left by the school's principal saying that the conclusion of the alleged assault had already been taken part of. So basically saying that they found that there was no sexual assault that happened at the school. So Jane Doe's mom, who said that she no longer has that voicemail, by the way, said it prompted her to send an email asking for her daughter to transfer schools and to tell the principal her daughter would not be speaking to school officials about what happened regarding the sexual assault. And she said it's in part due to the school concluding the investigation without actually formally speaking to her daughter about what happened. So basically it all coming down to Jane Doe's lawyers saying that CMS did not try to get a formal statement from Jane Doe, but CMS lawyers saying, well, they tried their hardest, but they were being refuted by the mother to do so. And Jane Doe is expected to testify at this court tomorrow morning and will be there to give you all updates as they become available. Live in Uptown Charlotte, Shamaria Morrison, WCNC Charlotte.